Welcome to Invisible Studio. Keep watching to learn how you can start creating content. Your new creative universe awaits. We'll start with creating a new project. Your creative guide, Orbi, is here to help you get started, whether you already know what you want to create or you need help brainstorming a new idea from scratch. Within a project, there are 3 main steps: workshop, video generation, and video editing. But you can easily skip between steps by clicking the buttons at the top of your screen. We'll start with the workshop step. Let's say, for example, you want to create a video about an animated bunny rabbit making a carrot cake. If you're happy with the script, you'll click Generate Storyboard. Now that the storyboard is ready, with a proposed script for the audio, you'll start generating images and voiceover shot by shot. Invisible Studio will take a first pass at writing a prompt for image generation, but you can always edit the suggested prompt. Now select which image you want to use and drag and drop it into your storyboard. Don't see anything you like? No worries, you can always re-prompt. Studio will suggest you a voice based on the character you created. Click on Generate Audio. After filling out your storyboard and generating your VO, you'll move into the video generation section. In this stage, you'll bring your static images to life by adding animation and lip sync. To add animation, you can click Generate Videos or give the tool a specific prompt. Here, you'll also click to add lip sync. Once you've added animation to all of your shots, you can move into video editing. Here in the video editor, you'll be able to stitch together your assets and export in your desired format. In this step, you can also add existing VO or videos. That's it. Follow these simple steps to bring your ideas to life seamlessly. Happy storytelling!